If your child's school uses EyeSpy 2020 to conduct vision screenings, you may be wondering, where do you get your results? Your child's school will send out an email containing information on how to retrieve the results. When you receive the email, be sure to note the school ID number. Once you've written down the school ID number, proceed to click the students.vision link. You can retrieve results from your home computer or your mobile device. In addition to the school ID, you will enter your student's information as required on the screen and then press the Retrieve Record button. If you have more than one child attending the same school, you can press the Click to Begin button to enter in information for your other children as well. At the bottom of each vision screening report is a summary of the results and any recommendations, if any. To learn more about EyeSpy 2020, please reach out to us anytime.